Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to bypass AI text to humanize text with the help of AI Pro Detectors platform. This one is absolutely free. Some of the features you need to get as a pro version. How to use, where is available, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. First of all, you need to open the Google, type here AI Detector Pro. The first link is display here. I already added this link in video description. You just click and come to the here. I have pro version. Registration is very simple. So here plan related features are available. This very affordable prices if you want purchase as a pro version. Now I will show you how exactly bypass AI. ChatGPT are producing some of the text and you want convert as humanized format or remove the plagiarism. So this platform is very interesting. I just simply open here ChatGPT, provide me one paragraph related on generative adversarial network. So I just simply raise here one of the question and I'm receiving the information. This information is fully generated with ChatGPT and I copy here and just simply analyze. So look at this here, the like showing 50% is AI and 50% is human. But if I click here, erase AI. So look at this here, possible to AI or human. I want change the entire text. I want convert this one humanized format. So I just simply click here humanize doc. Wait couple of seconds to complete this entire process. You need to spend accordingly how much text you are putting there. Still is processing, please wait. Rewrite is completed. Look at this here, paragraph is changed. Again I rescan for AI and boom, look at this here, we receive entire text as a humanized format. You should read entire information exactly correct grammatically and all. Afterwards you can use this text for your blog or research article and bypass directly AI text to humanized format, and afterward you are not receiving any types of copyright. This is the simple tips and tricks. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.